good evening guys, once again welcome to my channel Shashi Forex. Hey guys, how's doing? Today I have this 7Artisans 12mm 2.8 aperture manual focus lens, and thanks for 7Artisans for sponsoring this video. Today I'm going to review this manual focus lens, and this one I have a Z mount which I can APS-C Z mount manual focus 12mm lens which I can fit to my Nikon Z30 camera. So right now I'm shooting with 85mm lens with Nikon Z30, the mirrorless camera, and let us make a quick review on this one. The front dial, the maximum diameter is 7 centimeter, and the back side, I mean the length of this drum is like 6 centimeter. It's a metal body with a very nice glass lens and very soft focusing. The focusing is very soft, as well as the aperture ring also is very soft and very easy to mount, as I have already mounted to my Nikon Z30 camera. It's really great. Come on guys, let us check some footages, and I have taken the close-up shots, and let us check the bokeh. It has a very nice bokeh, and also I have taken with a big aperture about 16 about this building. It's very sharp and the image quality is really great. And now let me take the night footages at the dark time, and I will show you how it looks. This lens is very cheap, and the cost of this lens is like only $150 US, about $150 US. I have given all the direct contact details into this video description, and if you want to order for a sample piece or the bulk order, please contact it's a direct factory contact in this video description, and you can negotiate the price based on your quantity. Okay guys, that's all. It's a small review about this lens, and if you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know. Until then, take care, bye.